Kaspa just hit a 2-year low. Every technical indicator is, screaming sell. Retail traders are capitulating left and right. But while you're watching your portfolio bleed, whale wallet number 1 just scooped up another 12 million KAS. Wallet 8, 91 million in 24 hours. Something doesn't add up here, and what these whales know might completely change how you see this crash. Welcome back to the channel, Crypto Fam. If you're holding Kaspa right now, you're either sweating bullets, or you're about to discover why smart money moves opposite to fear. Do me a favor, smash that like button and subscribe because this analysis might save your portfolio from a costly mistake. Let's dive in. Kaspa's trading at 44 cents. That's October 2023 levels. The last time KS touched this price, it bounced hard and gave early buyers life-changing returns. But here's where it gets interesting. While panic sellers hit the exit, on-chain data reveals something completely different. Major holders aren't just staying put, they're aggressively accumulating. We're talking hundreds of millions of tokens moving into whale wallets while exchange reserves drained by 600 million KAS in 30 days. According to Kaspa Daily, wallet number 7 just added 90 million KAS to a position that already held 180 million. That's not portfolio rebalancing, that's conviction buying. Crypto Matt reports wallet 8 accumulated over 91 million tokens in a single day. Think about that. While retail watches charts turn red, institutional-sized wallets are backing up the truck. Now before you think this is some hopium rally cry, let me hit you with the brutal truth. Every single technical indicator points south. RSI sits at 31, oversold territory but no reversal signal yet. MACD shows a confirmed bearish crossover. ADX reads 34, confirming strong downward momentum. The stochastic oscillator, weak. The ultimate oscillator, weakness confirmed. Even my grandmother's crystal ball probably says sell at this point. But here's the million-dollar question. Why are billionaire wallets buying what every chart pattern says to dump? Either these whales have information we don't, or they're about to learn an expensive lesson. Historically, when smart money contradicts technical analysis this aggressively, one of two things happens. Either we're witnessing the setup for a legendary short squeeze, or these whales are catching falling knives in a bear market that has more room to drop. The data gets, spicier. Roughly $15 million in short positions sit ready for liquidation if KAS pushes to 5.5 cents. That's just about 25% above the current price. Translation? If momentum shifts even slightly bullish, shorts get obliterated and we see a violent squeeze. But if that 44-cent support breaks and we close below it this week, analysts project 33 cents as the next stop. That's another 25% down from here. So what's actually happening? Let me break down the whale psychology because this pattern isn't new. I've seen it play out dozens of times across different assets. Large holders operate on completely different time frames than retail. When you see price dropping, you think emergency exit. When whales see price dropping with strong fundamentals intact, they think discount sale. Wallet number 1, the largest known Kaspa holder, pulled 12 million KAS straight from Gate.io. That's not panic buying. That's calculated accumulation from someone who's done the math and likes the risk reward at these levels. Wallet 9 dropped cash on 3.5 million tokens across multiple transactions. These aren't emotional trades, they're strategic positioning. Here's my take. These whales are betting that Kaspa's technology and fundamentals outlast this temporary price weakness. They're looking at the infrastructure development, the partnerships like Zealous Swap joining forces with FluxCloud to deploy 10 new nodes for better decentralization. They're analyzing on-chain metrics showing holder sentiment remains stable despite price action. They see 600 million KAS leaving exchanges, classic accumulation behavior, and they're positioning accordingly. But let's keep it real. Whale accumulation doesn't guarantee immediate price recovery. Sometimes whales accumulate through entire bear markets. Sometimes they're early. The question isn't whether whales are buying, clearly they are. The question is whether this accumulation signals a bottom formation or just another layer in a longer downtrend. The technical picture demands respect regardless of whale activity. That 44-cent level isn't just a number, it's psychological bedrock that held for over a year. Breaking it triggers stop losses, liquidates leveraged longs, and potentially cascades into deeper selling. Chart patterns don't care about fundamentals in the short term. Momentum drives price until momentum shifts. However, the setup for a reversal exists. We're in oversold territory. Whale accumulation provides buy-side pressure. So, exchange reserves dropping by 600 million removes selling pressure from the equation. Short interest stacking up creates fuel for a squeeze. All the ingredients are present, just missing the catalyst. The Kaspa report maintains cautious optimism, calling the project the most advanced form of commodity money ever created. That's a bold claim, but, fundamentals only matter if the market actually agrees. Bitcoin's called digital gold, but that didn't stop it from dropping 80% in previous bear markets. Strong technology plus a bear market still equals pain. The Zealous Swap and FluxCloud partnership signals continued ecosystem development. Deploying nodes through run-on-flux enhances network reliability and decentralization. Exactly the kind of infrastructure building that happens during accumulation phases. Smart projects build during bear markets. Weak projects vanish. Kaspa's still building. For KS to confirm a bullish reversal, we need a weekly close above 5 cents. That's the line in the sand. Above 5 cents, shorts start sweating and momentum traders flip bullish. Below 44 cents this week, buckle up for 33 cents next. The market's giving us clear levels, so, yeah, trade them accordingly. My honest assessment, the divergence between price action and on-chain behavior suggests we're closer to a bottom than a top. But, closer doesn't mean we're there. Markets can stay irrational longer than you can stay solvent. These whales have capital to average down through extended downturns. Most retail traders just don't have that luxury. If you're holding KAS, ask yourself, are you trading or investing? Traders need to respect the technical breakdown and protect capital. Investors with long time frames might view this as whales do. Accumulation opportunity. Neither approach is wrong, but mixing strategies destroys accounts. The November narrative that crypto always pumps, that's hopium talking. Markets don't follow calendar patterns, they follow liquidity, momentum, and sentiment. Right now, sentiment's bearish, momentum's down, but liquidity's building via whale accumulation. Something's gotta give. Look, I'm not here to tell you what to do with your money. I'm here to show you what smart money's doing with theirs. Whether you follow whale footsteps or wait for technical confirmation, that's your call. Just make sure you're making decisions based on data, not emotion. Fear makes you sell bottoms. Greed makes you buy tops. Neither builds wealth. If this analysis helped clarify the Kaspa situation, check out my other videos. And, hey, don't forget to subscribe, because these market inflection points don't announce themselves. You need to see the data before the crowd catches on. This is not financial advice. Cryptocurrency investments carry significant risk, including total loss of capital. Everything discussed here is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I own various cryptocurrencies and my opinions are biased accordingly. Always do your own research, never invest more than you can afford to lose, and consult licensed financial advisors before making investment decisions. The crypto market is highly volatile and unpredictable. Past performance never guarantees future results. Stay safe out there.